Are you ready to redefine efficiency in your woodworking factory? Introducing the HT-1325P2 a powerhouse featuring independent dual-head technology. Unlike standard machines, these two spindles operate independently, allowing you to handle multiple tools or complex tasks without manual intervention. It is the perfect solution for mass-producing high-quality furniture, from intricate cabinet doors to heavy-duty panel cutting. Built with a heat-treated steel frame and high-precision Taiwanese linear rails, this machine ensures rock-solid stability and 24/7 reliability. Whether you are working with MDF, plywood, or acrylic, the multi-zone vacuum table keeps every workpiece perfectly in place for flawless accuracy. Boost your output, minimize setup time, and deliver superior craftsmanship to your clients. Elevate your production standards with Holztek's proven engineering. Contact James at 84-973,735,343 for expert advice and a customized quote. Dual-Spindle CNC, your partner in advanced woodworking solutions.